Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add payment method on Walmart. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Walmart application from your mobile device, or you can also visit walmart.com on a web browser. Also make sure to sign into your account like you normally do. Once signed in, go to the account button at the bottom right hand corner and tap on it. From the account page, scroll down and tap on wallet. From the wallet page, you can manage your payment methods, add a payment method, or simply change your payment method. To add a new payment method, select one of the options you would like to use as your payment method on Walmart. You can choose between debit card or credit card, gift card, electronic benefits transfer, benefit card, or PayPal. Select any one payment method that is suitable for you and enter the rest of the credit cards or debit card details, or if you've selected any other payment method, you will need to enter the credentials for them. Make sure to enter your payment information details including your card number, expiration date, billing address, CVV code, and make sure to review the information correctly. After you are done, if you want to set this card as your default card, you can tap on Set as Default at the bottom and tap on Save Card at the bottom. Similarly, you can also enter the rest of the credentials for your other payment options that is displayed on the screen. And that is it. You can now easily use the payment method that you added for online purchases at Walmart or through the Walmart app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.